Hello, mega love shout out to White World and mega love shout out to all Team Hope, Team Bulalakaw, Team Sunlight, Team Half American, Team Love Team, and to all team in a White World. So today's video is unboxing my new mobile. Just well, nasira na yung sira na yung phone ko na Nokia 6. So, supposed to be next month mag 2 years na siya. Ganun talaga ako. Pag magplan ako na bibili ng bagong phone, talagang masira muna bago palitan. Sa relasyon ko yan, iwalay muna bago makipag-relasyon sa iba. Relate ako dyan. So, I order online. ATCT, doon ko rin order sa kanila yung Nokia 6. I love talaga yung Nokia kasi Corning Gorilla Glass talaga yung anak ko. Kasi yung Nokia 6 ko ay nakailang bagsak na yun. Pero hindi talaga nasira. Kahit nag-screen protector ako, yung screen protector lang nasira. Pero yung glass, wala talaga. Supposed to be, so sad lang, bumigay na siya. 2 days ago, nahulog. Tapos, nabasa sa tubig. So, hindi ko nilagay sa rice agad. Binuksan ko. Sira tuloy. Kasi ako eh. So, I order. Meron silang offer. Special offer. Ang dami. Sinay-order. Dahil nag-order ako ng bago, tinodo ko na to. M31 Samsung made in Vietnam. I ordered red but not available ang red, so I don't have a choice. I choose only blue color kasi lagi na akong gumagamit ng black. Nakagamit ako ng white yung Sony ko, nasira din nga. Sa lahat na nagamit kong gadget, ang Sony at ang Samsung lang talaga ang pinakamahal. Dalawa. Price nito ay 73k days. So nasa 13k. So sinulit ko na 128 GB. So let's start muna tayo dito sa offer nila. Meron silang ang dami. Kaya nag-order ako kasi may offer sila. Meron silang pang headphone. Oh, I love that. Then USB car charger. Meron silang USB car charger. Kung sasakyan, pwede ko ma-charge yung phone ko kung nasa. Then price control for wireless music and calls. Wow, this is a Bluetooth. Wow, wireless music and calls. So it's a Bluetooth. A Wi-Fi connection. Oh, this is one for music, right? Yeah, that's right. With the USB cable. Oh, I love that. Sometimes nag-order ako. Take note po, no sponsor po. Sariling sikap po to. Disclaimer lang po, wala pong nag-sponsor, kundi on my own savings. And then next, what is this? 400 fast USB data cable. Yan. Isin ako kasi kalita ko na rin. USB cable, fast charger. This is a fast. Kung masira yung charger mo. And this is what I love it. Sweet case. power bank. Oh, I love this. Look at this. A power bank is a sweet case. Oh, this is what I'm wishing for. This. Kasi may power bank ako dati. Ang bilis malupad. So, finally, I got this. And yun din I love. It's white color. Oh, OMG. I really love it. And the next, sulit na sulit yun kasi pag meron talagang offer, bilis ko. Pag ano kasi ako may dig ako sa offer, bago ako bibili, I compare ko sa Nokia pag meron ako nagustuhan. Compare ko din sa Hawaii, compare ko sa Samsung. Hindi ko na i-compare sa iPhone kasi iPhone gustuhin ko magka iPhone 6. Mura na lang kasing iPhone 6 pero yung kasi yung camera para pang-vlog talagang sinulit ko nito para M31 6.4 inches 128 GB and so far, pag bibili talaga ako ng phone, di na talaga ako mag ng manual sa phone ko na. Oh, wow, I love this. Wow, look at 6.4 Infinity display quad camera and I love it. 6,000 mAh battery. This is recommended for you or for us? Yes, it's recommended. I compare sa E31 48 megapixel and the front camera it's 20 megapixel. But this is the M31 front camera 16 megapixel and the back camera it's 63 megapixel. Sa A31 maybe if I'm mistaken only 5,000 mAh battery. So this is the better. I come for in Hawaii. I choose this. So Nokia 6, I switch in Samsung. So there's a cable for charger, fast charger also, and this is an iPhone. Oh. 64 megapixel. Oh, I love the color. It's never blue. It's supposed to be I ordered red, but not the black. Sinabihan nila ako black na lang daw. So sabi ko, I always use black. Powered by Android. So the design is, I love this design. And there's a fingerprint sensor, 4 cameras. This is a 64 megapixel. Yeah, so that's good kasi 64 and 6,000 mAh battery. So this is it. So here's it. This is a warranty card. So that's it lang. So far I love it. Tingnan natin yung check out some info to get started. So next, date and time, Google, service access. There's a particular phone, face recognition, fingerprint, so I just want to skip muna to. Email or phone number. So maglagay tayo ng email. Ay, Gmail. Nakalimutan ko na yata. Wait, I just want to skip. I-skip ko muna. Oh. So let's check. Oh, there's already FB, yeah, YouTube YTC, Galaxy Store, Gallery. There is already a program. Marami na. So let's go to camera. Photo. Video. That's nice. How about front? So meron din live focus. Meron silang live focus kung it's worth it naman talaga. So far I love it. I can hold it. I can hold it in my hands. And the camera is in the front and center and side. Fingerprint. So this is recommended for you. Yes, I recommend it. Who wants to buying a phone? So Samsung M31. So that's it, my review, unboxing all of this of our phone. If you like this video, please click the like, share, comments, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit the bell for new update of my uploads or live stream. And thanks for watching. Enjoy, and God bless everyone. We love you.